Target filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching my channel. This is Perry Trade. So right now I'm trading in the live market. Today is April 14th, 2025. So I went into this trade very late. Ideally, I should have gone into the trade right where all my conditions were true, like from right here. Then I've gotten all this profit right here, but I got in a little bit late. So let me show you where I got in. Let me actually go into and show you the all right, so I got in here. I should have gotten here, but I got in a little bit late. So also I looked at I'm getting a little bit of heat. Of course, that's part of trading. You'll get some drawbacks, some drawdowns, and so also to what made me go into the trade here. I looked at CNBC, and you can see all the markets are up right now, and because of the tariffs exemption on tech stocks. So you know Nasdaq is all tech companies, right? So it's up 378 points. So that kind of like told me to go ahead and go into the trade because I know it will continue going up, even though there was a little bit of heat here. So I'm all in right here. I have 50 tick, and also I do have a runner, so I'll move up my stop loss as the trade go into my favor. Hello? Oh, hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Let me connect to my headphones. So right here, I'm expecting price to pull back to this line and continue to go up as long as the market is still in an uptrend. So these blue lines are area of significance. These are support and resistance lines. So usually price tend to respect these lines. So price goes here. I'm anticipating that it should go to this line and then bounce up. If you use price action strictly, price action, then here, if it bounce up, you have a closed candle, a white candle closed, then that would be a good trade to go in once it bounces off of this line. But if I go with all of my conditions, then I won't be able to, I shouldn't go into a trade. But if you're going purely off of price action, so this would be a good trade going up. So normally traders would probably put a buy limit order here.
Order submitted.
Wait till it bounces off. You see it's going up here. So you see how it bounced off here. So it does. Actually,
Order filled.
all right, so I'm in. See what it does.
Target filled.
All right, so I got filled right here. My target got filled right here off the reversal. And so far, that is $737 profit. Okay, we have a light pink background. And let's see if so yeah, it's gonna bounce off this line, possibly. So yeah, this was a quick scalp right here. I don't know, see how it reached? So yeah, so this is the low right here. So it looked like it's respecting that line. Are we in a downtrend? I'm not sure. So yeah, I have all down. So
Order
I'm gonna go ahead and
submitted.
take a sell.
Order filled.
I'll bring that up. So you see how this is pink, and this is pink. So all conditions are true. So I took a trade for 50, take profit, 2 contract. So now I'm in a profit. So now I can bring my break even. So I have this break even plus 1. I can go ahead and click on it and it'll bring it down to break even plus 1. If I do that, I know I'll get stopped out because it keeps pulling back a little. So let's say if it goes one more candle and I'll go ahead and
Target filled.
so my target just got filled there. And total profit so far is $998 off of 3 trades. So here, even though you have all conditions are true, look like it broke the resistance, approaching another resistance support zone. I'm sorry. Support is your floor. So here you don't want to enter a trade into a support zone. You want to wait till it breaks it, and then another candle open after it broke that zone. Then enter a trade, but never into a support, because price tend to respect these zones and they're reversed. So you don't want to be in a short trade and the price just reverse on you, and then you get stopped out. Then you lose all the money you just earned. So that's just purely price action, right? So I'm just going to wait and see what it does. It looks like it's respecting this line. And the market is still up, right? It went down just a little. So you see how it bounced off of this line, then went back up.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, so I just went to a trade. Of course, I didn't follow my conditions. I just went off of price action. Price came up to the resistance, and I went ahead and just put a sell limit order in, because I know it's going to come back down despite my conditions. So looks to me it's kind of like consolidating a little, right? And so I went into a trade. So this was 4 total trades within, just 1 hour. So I started, let me see. So my first trade was 840. And last trade ended at 956. Okay. Again, I want to thank you for watching my quick morning trade. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.